In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate blocks in Squarespace. This task is incredibly useful if you want to create consistent designs across your site or need to replicate a specific layout without starting from scratch. So let's dive in and walk through the steps to make sure you can duplicate any block with ease. First up, head over to your Squarespace website editor. Open your internet browser, type in the URL for your Squarespace site, and log in if you need to. Once you're in, you'll find yourself in the dashboard. From here, navigate to the Pages section of your editor. This is where all the magic happens. It can be accessed by clicking on Pages in the left-hand side menu of your Squarespace dashboard. It's the central hub from where you can make all sorts of changes and additions to your site. Next, scroll through your pages and choose the block you intend to duplicate. A block in Squarespace is any section that holds content like text, images, or forms. Click on the specific block you want to work with. This will open up the editor for that block, giving you an up-close view of the content and settings. Clicking on the block ensures you're ready to perform the duplication actions, and you'll need to be precise here because being in the wrong block can lead you to duplicate the wrong content. Once you have selected your block, look for the highlight feature. It's typically found floating on top of the block or nearby, sometimes represented by an icon or simply by hovering over it. Clicking on highlight selects the entire block, not just a portion of it. This step is crucial because it tells Squarespace that you wish to manipulate the whole block rather than just individual elements within it. Keep this selected as it allows the duplication to function properly. Finally, our last step is to click on Save. By clicking Save, you commit the changes you made. This includes confirming the block selection and readiness for duplication. It's always a good practice to save frequently when working on your website to ensure no work is lost. While saving might seem trivial, it's what locks in your adjustments and prepares you for duplicating the block across your site. And there you have it. With these steps, you should now be able to duplicate blocks within Squarespace efficiently, saving you time and ensuring a cohesive look across your pages. This process can be a great time saver, especially if you're building multiple pages with similar designs. Thank you for watching, and I hope these instructions help make your Squarespace experience smoother and more productive. Happy building!